Hey everyone, we just arrived here in Rüdesheim and we are waiting to board our boat for a Rhine Valley tour. The gates are still closed, so we have a few minutes. Let me tell you how we got here. We drove about an hour from Frankfurt and it is such a beautiful route. Booking was super easy. We did it online through Get Your Guide for just 17 euros per person. And yeah, I got a special code for you guys in the description if you want to check it out too. Alright, we are finally boarding. We showed our online tickets at the entrance. Super quick and easy. And now we're walking up to the upper deck. Can you imagine the view we're about to get from up here? Wow, look at this. The Rhine stretches out on both sides. Castles on the hills. Vineyards glowing in the sunlight. This is exactly why we wanted to do this tour. You really get a full sense of Rhine Valley from up here.
Statue. Rüdesheim ist auch die Heimat der weltweit bekannten deutschen Weinbrandmarke Asbach. Die Herstellung des Weinbrandes kann man im Asbach-Besucherzentrum verfolgen. Auf der anderen Rheinseite, auf dem Rochusberg, steht weithin sichtbar die Rochuskapelle.
We are approaching Rüdesheim with its famous street Drosselgasse. Down by the Rhine is Klopp Castle, a museum nowadays. There is a cable car line going up to the Niederwald historical monument with its 10.5.
So we decided to grab a little refreshment while enjoying the views. We got Weißweinschorle, a refreshing mix of Riesling and sparkling water. And we ordered a local beer too, so cheers. Sipping this while cruising past castles and vineyards makes the experience even more magical. Honestly, this is exactly why I love combining travel with tasting local drinks. It's like tasting a bit of the region story with every sip.
Bingen, close to the mouth of the river. The town is overlooked by Klopp Castle. In the 13th century, Benedictine Hildegard von Bingen, one of the most influential women in the German Middle Ages, worked in Bingen. The Museum am Strom, situated directly on the Rhine, is full of information about the life of the Benedictine. Customs station and a signaling station for ships up until the 1980s. On the opposite side and surrounded by vineyards, you can see the ruins of Erbenfels Castle. In 2002, UNESCO declared the Upper Middle Rhine Valley, one of the most magnificent and oldest cultural landscapes, as a World Heritage Site.
If you're planning this tour, I highly recommend trying a local drink. It really adds to the vibe. And don't forget my Get Your Guide link is in the description, so you can join the cruise too. For lunch, we went for something truly German, Wurst with Kartoffel salad. The sausage was smoky and juicy, and the potato salad had that classic tangy sweet flavor. Simple, but so satisfying, especially with the river breeze and the castle views in the background.
Assmannshausen, at the mouth of the Höllenbach Valley. Assmannshausen is world famous for its red wine from the Höllenberg vineyard. A chairlift goes from Assmannshausen up to the Niederwald forest. You can reach Rüdesheim from here along a mountain hiking trail. On the other side, 80 meters above the river, is Rheinstein Castle.